whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break. Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone.
All right, fellow traders, everybody, welcome back, guys. Wow, what a day, guys. Every day is another day. The market keeps moving. The market keeps moving, everybody. All right, guys, I'll be right here with you in about a minute. Thank you guys for hopping in to the stream every day. As always, I thank you. All right, as always, we've got another giveaway here today. Get ready.
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. one clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break.
All right, guys, just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back with you all.
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
Hey, fellow traders, everybody, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All I'm gonna do today is smile. That's all I'm gonna do, guys. Let's just enjoy the day. You know what I mean? Just smile. Enjoy the day, guys. If you had a bad morning, if you had a bad day, just forget about it. We move on. We move on, okay? Let's move on, everybody. A lot of us had a bad day, but what can we do? What can we do? Let's try to have some fun here, guys. We got Fund the Futures Network account a giveaway here today, guys. We've got by the way, do not forget, Fund the Futures Network has 1+1 BOGO deal, so you are essentially paying $75 for 2 accounts. Keep that in mind. And we are about to do our giveaway here today, and we'll call out the winner at about 350 likes. Thank you guys for your support. Please take a few seconds of your time to smash the like as well if you guys would like to support the stream. And I thank you once again. We'll start in about 3 minutes, Globex guys. Let's try to have some fun here today. I will start the day trading off my Fund the Futures Network. We'll go from there. I'm just about to pass a few Fund the Futures Network. myself, and I'm going to be loading some more accounts as well myself too. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, if time permits, we may do another one. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. How to get the BOGO deal? Just type in Tiger on a coupon code when you are logging into on their dashboard, and add a subscription. Just type in Tiger as a discount code, and send an email to the customer service, and let them know that you have a new subscription and you need an extra eval for free that comes with that account. Do you catch the sell up? I did not catch anything. I caught the wrong side at the wrong time. Everything that I did today was just no go, no gig, guys. I'm gonna admit. So I'm not proud of myself, but look at this, guys. Wow. I caught that move here. I caught this move here on one of my accounts. I caught the move here, right? This is what I caught. So here, I think this was towards the end of the day. I went long with 5 micro contracts, and I kind of walked away, and I let it kind of play until the market closed, and I come back on my phone, and the market's already up here. So that was a good win, but I missed the whole move to the downside, of course. And of course, I tried to go long along the way, and I kept getting chopped. It kept pushing down, pushing down. I kept getting chopped down all the way down here. So not a great day after all for me, and I hope you all had a great day. All right, guys, man. Tommy Tom, what is up? Crazy recovery off that smash dump. I know, man. What a bounce, guys. I mean, Apple had a pretty good earnings, right? I don't know how that did Apple actually get a pullback here? I didn't get a chance to take a look at the Apple. Well, let's take a look at the Apple, guys. Apple up about 1.5%. They were up, I think, about 4% when they actually got the earnings, right? And all right, so I'm gonna start the day. All right, so we'll start the day. I'll try to short the market, guys. I mean, the market did not really have the juice of momentum push to the upside after getting the earnings that came out today. So it's kind of weird. I was kind of expecting the market to get a little bit of a squeeze towards the end of the day with great earnings that we got from Apple, but the big bounce that we actually got today kind of faded right towards the down. We obviously did not break to the downside, but yet it was pretty bearish. Was expecting a lot more push to the upside, but never really did happen. So NQ is heading to the downside. I've got 2 contracts here to the downside, and let's see if we actually do a little bit of a break here, guys. Let me just go back to the 1-hour chart. Well, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart, guys. I want to quickly take a look and see what is up here. Wow, I can't believe it, guys. A lot of drawings here, a lot of drawings. I've got to get rid of these drawings for sure. I got lots of drawings. Yeah, I've got to get rid of these. We'll use the existing drawings. We actually got bags, so yeah, man, this price action is just so difficult to kind of gauge where it's gonna go. But I mean, I do kind of expect to see a little bit of a bounce in the market, I think. But maybe a little bit of a pullback, initial pullback, and maybe get a bounce. And that's what I kind of expect to see. A little bit of a bounce, digest the moves that we had today, and try to curl back higher. Right? This is what I'm kind of expecting. I don't know how much of a deep of a pullback we may get here. Are we gonna get all the way down into this zone? We'll see how it kind of plays out. But I do expect to see a little bit of a pullback here, guys, right at the start. And maybe we get a bounce towards the latter half of the Asian market and maybe try to call back higher. We'll see how we kind of react at this I would say 25,900 area. All right, guys, this is 1 hour chart. So let's just go back to the 15-minute chart now. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. I've got 2 contracts and yet I'm up $100. Is the gold looking? Today's a crazy move. We did, yes, we did actually get a crazy move today. Yeah, pretty wild. All right, everybody, thank you guys for being here. What a day. Did everybody have a good day? You guys want to share? Let me know. How was your day? Wow, what a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna try to add some more. All right, guys, I'm gonna, yeah, so I've got to stop here. I've got to stop here at 970. I've got 8 contracts, 8 micro contracts to the downside, guys. We'll see if we can actually get a little pullback down into the 927. So the target here would be somewhere down into this level, right? So 920. Let's see. So yeah, I've got a hard stop here at 970, so end up getting a pull. Well, if you end up getting a bounce and I get stopped out there, it'll be down about $100, and that's totally okay. Yeah, this is on a 1-minute chart. I could move this to a tick chart if you guys don't, if you guys prefer the tick chart, I guess. Tick bar. Let's try tick chart. All right, there you go, guys. This is a tick chart now. It's gonna move pretty quickly, pretty wild. Oh my goodness. What was that, guys? Whoa. Hold on, what is up with this? One second, guys. I've got to fix something here. Yeah, man, I can't use the tick chart, guys. 1 second. I've got to change this. It's too much. I'll just move back to the 1-minute chart. Holy man. So do we have any news coming out just now? We just popped 40 points. That was at 40 points. What was that again? Does anybody know what that was all about? All right, 1 second. Let's just try to move back to the tick chart again. 200. That was a crazy wild move. Okay, we'll try it again, guys. All right, so the low of the day was 950, right? So I'm still looking for a pullback here into this area. Let's see. So, I mean, Apple had a pretty good earnings, but I don't know why Apple actually ended up getting a pullback. Apple down to just 1%. It was up 4%, I think. Oh yes, and by the way, I did request a small little payout with Lucid. Oh my god. Yeah, here we go, guys. I requested $2,000 a payout on one of my account that I had over $10,000 of profit on it. So it's down to somewhere 7,000 area, so that's good. I still have that account, so that's good. Top to get payouts. All right, looks like we may try to pull back here, guys. I mean, let's try to use until we start to have a little bit of a change in the structure. I'm just gonna do a little trend line. So we may try to get all the way down into this level. That would be somewhere down here, I would say. We'll see, guys. I may add some more here as well. We'll yeah, I've got 5 contracts now. I'll have my hard stop here at about 26,000, give or take, and that's the opening, right? That's the opening range. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback here down into the 930s. Let's see how this thing kind of plays out. Tiger, which firm is buy one get one free? That's Funding Futures Network. It's right now, they've got a BOGO deal. That's 1 + 1, right? So you're paying $75 to get one account for free. The same, essentially the same account that you bought. You're getting an extra account of the same size for free. 938 is the pivot point. All right, so we're getting a little pullback here, guys. I mean, I could now maybe try to move my stop to break even. Yeah, what is going on? Is Apple actually pulling back pretty aggressively, or what? Apple's back to break even, guys. Apple is back to break even. So they were up 4%, they're down to 0% now. Pretty close to 0%. So let's take a look at the financial juice. See what's going on. What's going on there? Nothing really there at the moment. Trump signed an executive order declaring a national emergency and establishing a process to impose tariff on goods from countries which sell or otherwise provide oil to Cuba. Oh my god. Oh, Mochaccino, man, what is up with this pullback, guys? Man, what an exciting day again, guys. What an exciting day again. Roller coaster, guys. This roller coaster does not end, and I don't know when it's gonna end. Don't ask me. We had a wild morning, we have a wild afternoon. Is there a time of the day? Oh my god, guys, I'll take some profits off the table. Down to 3 now. All right, can trail my stock to 948. I'm still looking for a target back down into the 914, 900 area would be a nice little. How are the payouts with funded next? Meiji, what is funded next futures? I've never heard that firm before. I have no idea what he talks about. Everybody, guys, man, welcome everybody. Welcome, guys. Great to see everybody again. It's Prop Trader, what up? Carl's Packer, what is going on, guys? I mean, the market is dumping now, of course, in front of some news. I think that's probably the tariff, like what Dan Emmons is saying. Miss K1, what is going on? Paul MFXS RXL. How is everybody doing today, guys? Did anybody get hurt pretty bad? And if you did, just forget about it, bro. Just forget about the bad moments you had this morning. Jack Horde, what up? Sook, Tob, Joybag, DBs, Paul Voiser. Great to see you guys. Funded Futures Network. You're on the wrong side, blue 3 accounts. Neshi. Oh, like, you're on the wrong side. This actually went pretty quickly, by the way, man. This actually went pretty quick. So if you, this kind of trap, a little bit of a fake, guys. A little bit of a fake. Push up and down, right? So past one. Trader Grace, it's hard to read your Korean chat right now, to be honest. Guys, it keeps going. It keeps going, guys. I have no idea, man. And it's dumping. This tariff, I mean, we had a tariff issue, but I mean, does that really, I mean, it's not new. It's not new, but and yet we have a 0.25% pullback here, guys. That's about 100 points pullback right now. Right now we are back down to 25,900 area, guys. I mean, this is wild, man. This is wild. Oh yeah, I mean, a tariff to Cuba is new. Yes, you're right. All right, guys, I'm just gonna flatten this trade right here, and we kind of extended to the downside already, so we're pretty oversold now. I mean, we could kind of pull back even further down, but I mean, I'm not sure. I will take some off. Let's try to place my hard stop here now. Put at 924. Kind of scale in, scale out. So, do you guys think the stock market is in a topping process right now for this year? I mean, a lot of traders are actually thinking we are at a topping process. So we may have already hit the top. That's what you guys, a lot of us. I mean, not me, but I think there's a lot of traders saying that we may have already hit the top. And this could be a start of a much bigger pullback here into the rest of the first quarter. Joey Bag, hey man, thanks brother. Emergency tariff. So emergency tariff is making this market pull back here 0.25%. Maybe, yeah, you're right. I'm gonna now trail my stop. How much am I up on this? Alright, I guess I may have to go a little more aggressively on this bad boy. I'm gonna look for a little bounce though. I mean, it's, wow man, this thing keeps pulling back here. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm just gonna flip to a different account. Let's look for a little bit of a bounce. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 892. I mean, overall the structure is kind of broken to the downside, so I think we do see, kind of expect to see a little continuation of a pullback here down, but maybe get a little bit of a pop, maybe a short-term you know, a little bit of a decade bounce back into this EMA at 932, and we'll see what happens there. We may just continue rolling back down, to be honest. Yes, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 902. Very hard stop, right? So no wiggle room here. I've got a really tight stop here, and I'm gonna look for a little bit of a bounce. I'm not expecting a huge, like, you know, like back to filling the gap right now. But if we end up getting a pullback here, I'm gonna get stopped out just $150 negative, so that's fine. Monica, what is up, man? Gold is dumping. Monty, I did see a big dump this morning. I did not capitalize on that move, unfortunately, and I hope you did, though. I hope you did. GC is coming down. Well, the market's coming down. The GC is coming down. The NQ is coming down. Everything is just coming down. Hold on one second, guys. Let's take a look at the GC here. Everything is just coming down. Let's take a look, guys. I mean, oh man, come on, guys. GC down, but it's like very marginal, right? We're still down into the 54.30. It's not a pretty significant pullback here. I don't think so. It's very marginal pullback, guys. Just like 30 points. Yeah, 30 points. But it does look like we want to continue pulling back into gold. Let's take a look and see, guys. I mean, still, we've got. Let's see if we are breaking the structure here. We may have a little bit more room to the downside. You guys can see this could be a little bit of a topping process here, right? So you see there, I mean, that's really not a coincidence that we actually got a little top there. We also had a little bit of a top here. We had a little bit of a top there as well. Come on, man. A little bit of top here as well. And then we also got a little bit of a top here as well. So we may try to pull back here into this area. And if we break underneath this, then I think this could go all the way back down, right? This is definitely a key level of support. And if we break underneath that, this could be a retest of the low here as well today. So I don't know if this market, I don't know if the gold is going to actually give us that pullback. Overall, the gold is still a very, very strong, right? So I don't want to mess with the gold, to be honest. Still bullish overall. I mean, we haven't really broken the structure just yet, so there's really no reason to kind of feel too bearish on this just because we got a little pullback here, you know what I mean? So let's just go back to, wow, man. So while we talking about the gold, we have a nice little bounce on the NQ. So I'm gonna take some profits off the table. I'm gonna place my stop to break even now. This is literally a house money now, and let's see if we can actually get a little bounce back into the pivot here, right? A little pivot here. So I'm gonna be looking to see if we can actually get a bounce into this area. Be nice if you do that, right? All these rejection there as well. So we'll see if that kind of plays out nicely for us, guys. This is where my target is. Okay, this is where my target is. So let's see. I placed my stop at the break even, so let's see what happens now. Palantir, yes, Palantir is down. I think the Palantir, when I checked this morning, it was down about it was down to like 149, I think, if I'm not wrong. So let's take a look and see where we are at right now. We're 152. So we are at 151 on Palantir. Like, I'm trying to load in some swings on Palantir into the 140s or 130s, 145-ish, 140 to 130, right? So that's where I'm gonna be loading in some swings. Probably end up paying yeah, I'll do a tiering, you know, swing. I'll enter with like a couple $1,000 first, and then I'll keep adding as we break to the downside. Because yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do with the Palantir. Yeah, I do still have some few shares. I think it was at about 170, 160 bucks. That's where I bought. So not much though, just a few. Hotbot Accor. I'm trying to move away from trading metals, to be very frankly honest. So you're telling me to trade gold instead of trading NQ? It's I don't know. I'm trying to refrain myself. Why can't you trade silver on Apex? You can trade silver on Apex. Oh, the micro. I mean, it's not just with Apex. I mean, there's a lot of firms that does not allow you to trade a micro silver. I mean, at the end of the day, bro, I mean, micro silver, mini silver, they're all the same. They're all, you know, a major disruption to your P&L, if you will. All right, guys, we get a little pullback here down right here. I better be a little careful now. Looks like we are breaking down, guys. I'm gonna try to short this bad boy right here. Yeah, I changed. Yeah, I've got short position here. Oh shoot, guys, man, 1 second. I've got 5 contracts. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, what a little fake, guys, man. Hold on, I'll be risking. Alright, so I've got I'll try to short into the 960. There was a little bit of a fake. I kind of got faked out on that trade. Not good. Yeah, I mean the price action that we are getting here right now, guys, it's pretty wild. So I mean, we had a tariff issue in Cuba, so I don't know how that's gonna wow, look at the strength in this bounce, guys. I mean, I'm not liking this at all. Are we gonna try to pierce through this? We could. Looks like bouncy. We'll see. I've got a hard stop. Let me just see where my hard stop's gonna be. Yeah, 972. That's where my hard stop's gonna be. $976, yeah. This may break, guys. I mean, wow, what a wild price action we are getting right now. Yeah, it's hard to trade silver, right? It's hard to trade silver. It's too much. Even with one micro, if you're on the wrong side, you end up losing like a couple $1,000s, right? It's really hard to trade. Too mucho, you know what I mean? So I'm down on this trade. So I'm down. I was up, so I'm down now. I'm down about $500. Holy man, this skiff's going, guys. We are breaking out. I'm gonna have to exit this trade. We're breaking out, guys. I'm down about $600 now. Wow, look at that bounce, man. That was a good call, but I kind of exited that trade on that fake little pullback down. So kind of picked me out. A little bit of distraction as well on top, so did not kind of help. Wow, man, look at this, guys. So what a straight bounce. Are you kidding me? You know, I'm trading NQ. I'm trading NQ. Yeah, I'm trading NQ, yeah. Do we? Oh, man. We broke out, right? You know, we clearly broke out, so I don't know. We've got a little bit of resistance now in that 26,000. This $26,000 area is going to be a pretty big one now. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out. We'll try to long. Yeah, let's just kind of wait. Oh, man. Yeah, I'll put a tight stop on this. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, put a tight stop, 970. I'll look for that little bit of a push to the upside. Forget. Actually, you know what? And my hard stop's gonna be somewhere in that. I'll have a hard stop at 948, and let's see if we get actually a little bit of a pullback down. Maybe give us that little bit of a pullback down, and then try to crawl back higher. Right? this is what you may try to do here. So maybe a good spot to be is 960 area. That's where obviously the EMA, the VWAP as well. Okay. This is a little bit wonky. This is a bit messed up, so let me just change that. I've got a hard stop here. Yeah, let's just exit that trade. Holy shit, man. Guys, I'm not touching this. What the hell is going on? Good, I exited that trade. I was like, I exited. I lost $200. I'm like, you know, I'm out. And as soon as I'm out, it got a dump. Holy shit, man. Guys, what the heck's going on right now? I got a little lucky. I got a little lucky, guys. What the? You gotta be kidding, guys. Come on, I mean, this is weird. Like, blink of an eye, it was down. Come on, man. 50 points down, and then blink of an eye, it's like up again. Oh, that never really happened. Oh boy, goody. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get to our first giveaway here pretty quickly. I'd love to. What the heck, man? The mini New York. Incredible mochaccino. The mini New York. Ya salam. Shuhada. Maskhara ya ani. Yeah, I can't be trading this, man. This is definitely giving me a little bit of motion sickness now, for sure. Or should we just play? Guys, man, let's just have some fun here, okay? Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys, man. You gotta be kidding, bro. Like, come on, man. What the heck is this V shape? This is a COVID V-shaped recovery, guys. Yeah, you know, much hard. Malhaj, man. This is definitely too much maskhara, yeah, Annie. In Tarif, guys, this is a lot of fun, man. Hey, you know what? It's a lot better than the market doing just straight in one line. I mean, this is seriously a lot better. I mean, yes, it's tough, but it's a lot more exciting. We want some excitement, right? I don't want this session to be just a straight one line. You know what I mean? This is a lot better. This is a lot better price action we are getting right here, and we gotta kind of try to enjoy this. Yeah. I mean, I wanna like it's. We could get hurt along the way, but I mean, I prefer this sort of a price action versus, you know, something like this all day. Globex Asia. I mean, it's always been like this. Globex Asia. I love what I see right now. This is amazing, incredible. But the thing is, though, I did not expect to see this kind of move here today. I was definitely not expecting this kind of move here today, especially during the Globex. Come on, guys. I mean, you know, like, this is the problem with the Globex Asia. They give us a lot of surprises, right? And that's the problem. Let's take a look. Well, let me just take a look and see what their name is. If any reason distribution is not immediately corrected, I'm going to charge Canada 50% tariff on any and all aircraft sold into US. Canada does not sell aircrafts to the US. What does that mean? I don't understand. You mean the parts, maybe? I have no idea. We don't send any aircrafts to the US, do we? Do we have? Boeing is made in Korea. Boeing is made in Korea. Let's go. One day Canada, one day Jamaica, one day Cuba, maybe one day Japan, and who knows, one day Australia. It's been relatively quiet, Australia and New Zealand. You guys are not out of woods, okay? Just wait for another few days, see what happens. Holy mochino, man, look at this bounce. This bounce is unreal. What the hell is going on right now, guys, man? We just broke out of this very important $26,000, this big psychological level. Oh my good. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take a stab on my trade. I'm just kind of waiting. Every time I try to wait, I'm like, I want to take a stab, but I keep getting missed out, unfortunately. Yeah, I will be live tomorrow morning, guys. I will be live tomorrow morning. Friday morning, you know, it's always nice to kind of end the week with my fellow traders in the house. Wow, man. Look at this bounce, guys. This is the V-shaped bounce, a classic COVID bounce, guys. Holy mochino. No. Nobody talk about South Korea, guys. Nobody talk about South Korea. Okay? Nobody. Not even DT. Not allowed. South Korea and the United States did not reach a conclusion in the first day of the talks following Trump's post on raising tariff again. Yonhap News. Nobody cares. Trader Grace. 관세를 하든 말든. All right, I gotta drink some water. Right? Let me just digest the moves, okay? I'm a human too, guys. I'm gonna try to digest the move. Let's have some water. We gotta send Blackpink to the United States, guys. To the White House, okay? Blackpink to the White House, guys, next week. Let's go. All right, invitation, Blackpink, let's go. And see what happens right after. It was a little bit of misunderstanding. We're gonna take off the 50% tariff on South Korea. I mean, this concert was great. Blackpink was the amazing concert. They're amazing. You know, they've got this really amazing way of dancing. You know, they're fantastic. They're truly global. Oh my god. All right, guys, $26,000 right here, guys. We are back at $26,000 right here. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to take a stab on the trade, but I'm just not sure what to do here. Should I try to take... I don't even know what to do, man. I want to go long, but then I'm a little nervous about... I mean, it almost kind of feels like we kind of broke out of all the structure here, right? The bearish structure. So I'm leaning more, obviously, to the upside, but... yeah, this almost kind of feels like we may be trying to get pretty close to the initial high at the 42 here, guys. I'm gonna try to long this bad boy right now. Oh no. All right, guys, I went long here, man. Whatever. I'm gonna have a hard stop. I'm gonna have a hard stop at 960. Yeah, I'm gonna be risking about $300 on this trade. And I went long, guys, 5 micro contracts, and I'm going to be looking for a target back into the 40s, guys. We'll see what happens now. I'll trail my stop as we try to get pretty close to the 40 area. Yeah, this is an insane move that we are getting at 26,017 now. That's pretty wild. I'm long, guys. I'm long NQ. I wonder what the gold is kind of doing. Well, the gold is trying to get a bounce, guys. It's kind of holding, but we're getting a much bigger moves on NQ, so maybe it kind of makes sense to be in NQ trade versus the gold. The gold is just kind of sitting there. All right, so let's see, guys, if we hold this or we break it to the downside. I've got 5 contracts now. It's kind of slowed down a little bit, but Eddie, what is going on, man? 245, 26,245. You need to get back to break even. Holy man, that's tricky. That's tricky. I'll be live tomorrow at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. So I have not set up the notification just yet. I will do that tonight. But yeah, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, you guys will start to see my notification a little bit later today. Trader Grace, where are you from in Korea? If you don't mind me asking. Permission granted to drink water. Monica, thank you so mucho. Guys, man, what the heck's going on here in the market, guys? Are we gonna get a bounce, or are we just gonna start to get a pullback? Because StockTiger is now long. Of course, you guys know what that means. The market pulls back down, right? That's what's gonna be. Or yeah, I mean, this setup definitely looks long, man. I mean, I don't think we're just gonna go straight down now like that, right? I will be damn surprised if we do that, guys. I will be in shock. Well, not in shock entirely. I gotta stop there, right, at 972. But I mean, if you ask, bulk of the traders would not think that we will be pulling back into something like that right today. I don't think so. So I'm gonna be still leaning more to the upside for now. For now, I'm not in that camp of a pullback here. I don't think so. But if it ends up getting a pullback, you know, we'll get stopped out. We'll get stopped out. But this is a nice little area of support, guys. This is a major level of support now we just broke out of. So I want to just kind of make sure we hold this area now. All right. I think we get another leg to the upside again. If what I'm thinking is right. But we gotta hold this 986 area. If you hold this 960 area, I think we should be fine. Oh, you're from Seoul. 호랑이띠? 아, 저 호랑이띠 아닌데요. 아, 트레이더 그레이스님 감사합니다. 아, 호랑이띠 아니에요. I'm not. Maybe at some point I've got to stream this in Korean, guys. I don't know. Thank you, Seiyun. Seiyun, thank you so much. Oh, 목포. Gringo, you shut up. You're such a fool of foo-foo, man. Mopo. You're from US, Gringo. Oh man. All right, guys. StockTiger. Get back on track now. I kind of lost track here, guys. I've got to get back into my trading mode. Okay. All right, that's oh, sorry, excuse me, guys. All right, so 26,000. We just got above $26,000. I did kind of expect to see 40 now, right? But I mean, obviously we got to hold this 980. But I think, you know, I think we hold this area. We try to get a bounce. I think we have another leg to the upside, right? It's a bull flag in my opinion, but you know, so I'm long here with that in mind. Thank you guys once again for being here, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes for Funded Futures Network. We may try to do another one if we get a chance to do it. If we get a chance, we'll try to do another giveaway here today, guys. Oh, sorry, man. I did not even open an entry here. Sorry, guys. 1 second, everybody. Oh my god. Oh my. My apologies, everybody. I don't think I opened up the entries here. Nobody was talking about it. I'm like, what the heck is going on right now? Did we? Oh, where's my... There we go, guys. Oh, man. There we go now. Jeez. Nobody told me. I completely forgot about that, guys. Sorry, everybody. All right, let's see if we get a little bit of a bull flag here bounce. I mean, if all of a sudden it's kind of looking weak. All of a sudden, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, definitely need to see a little bit of a bounce now. If we can't hold this area, then I think we are in a little trouble. Damn, keeps going. I mean, if this thing moves, it's gonna move pretty quickly too. So, gold. What is gold doing? Holy mochaccino! Look at that, guys. Gold is trying to get a bounce. Gold is actually getting a little bit of a better clean move. I don't know if you guys kind of see the same thing as what I'm seeing right now. It's a nice little clean move to the upside, guys. That's what we're getting on the gold. Right? On the gold. I kind of like gold to the upside. Oh my god, I'm gonna get stopped out right here. Of course, StockTiger. Just want to make sure. Let me just have a hard stop here right now. What? Are you kidding me? Come on. Wow, what a perfect entries on this account. Down. Yeah, down. Yeah, enough of this pullback here. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop here. 973, guys, right at the bottom end of this EMA. Let's see, guys. Let me just get rid of this. Whew, I'm back to life again. My average at 990 now. Let's see. I mean, if we end up getting a pullback here, it's okay. I mean, I got a hard stop here. I don't think I'm gonna move my stop here. I'll leave my stop at 980, and that's where my stop is going to be for NQ. And let's try to see if we can actually get another leg to the upside, guys. I mean, that's what I'm kind of looking for right now. I'm hoping, certainly, I am. Where am I gonna place my stop? I would prefer to have my stop here, 960. That's where my stop is gonna be. So let's try to expect to see a little bit of a bounce, and let's take a look at the chat. Copper is a new silver. Oh my god, are we getting some wild moves into the copper now? I forgot what the copper ticker symbol is. Is it HG something? It's been a long time since I actually saw the copper. Yeah, I traded once copper quite a while ago, and of course I ended up getting into trouble. Justin Wright, TPT said they will not restore my accounts because it did not happen between. Oh yeah. Oh, they do still restore. I think you had an issue outside this time frame with. Oh my god, yeah, I know what you mean, man, Justin Wright. That really kind of sucks. Oh well. Oh, we are getting a little pullback here. Yeah, we are getting a little pullback here. Yeah, guys, over 600 viewers with little less than 150 likes at the moment. If you guys want to support the stream, show some love, guys. Let's go, and I'll call out the winner at about 300 likes, and then we'll try to do another one as well if you can, if the time permits. And I will be live tomorrow morning too at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. So and tomorrow could be the last trading day of the week, of the week, and last trading day of the month as well, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's right. It's the last trading day. It is the last trading day of the week, guys. Let's try to finish the month strong. So my payout is so far sitting at $33,000. That include Lucid Trader payout. I just requested $2,000, and that's out of my account too. So that's $33,000. Out of that, the biggest one is obviously Apex. So $33,000 is my, probably I would say, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get anything more than that, to be honest. I think that's it. Yeah, 33K for the month of January. You know, I mean, it could have been a lot better, but I mean, it's okay. It is what it is, right? We're gonna have to kind of move on now and really think about February. It was a really tough month, to be honest. I had a great start, and everything kind of started to get worse and worse as the days progressed. But we'll see. February and March, we'll try our level best to get better at it and attack the market, guys. See what happens. Wow, man, good trader. You took $15,000 from Lucid today. Wow, look at you, bro. That's awesome. I'm assuming that's across like 5 accounts or something like that, because they have a max cap, right? Payouts. But that's great, bro. Awesome job. $33,000 for the month of January, starting 2026 with a bang. Yeah, I mean, it's good. You know, what I had in my mind was about 60,000, but I'm way off right now. But I'm still grateful with 33. I'll take it. Yeah, even after big struggles, I mean, we're still taking some payouts regularly. I just took another one at $2,000 from Lucid, and I took another one a day ago, yesterday, $560 from Tradify, and yeah, and then Apex 2 days ago. So it is coming. but it's coming a little bit too slow though. That's the problem. I wish it was a lot faster and a lot bigger too, but yeah, I'm gonna have to put the January month into close now. Right, tomorrow's the last trading day, and I don't have anything that's kind of outstanding for more payouts, so that's it for StockTiger. And then we'll have to kind of worry about February. Guys, man, this is a little grind to the downside. I don't like this at all. It looks like we are gonna roll over down. Alright, I'll flatten this trade. I flattened that trade. Wow, man, we had a bounce and then that kind of faded. So, hold on one second. Let's wow, look at this, guys. We got a rejection off that level. Yeah, it's hard to say where it's gonna go. Yeah, I just exited that trade, guys. I mean, I just did not feel very comfortable, to be honest. So I just got out. I just got out of the trade. I'll get in again if I see. Yeah, I mean, Lucid is great in a sense. It's pretty quick, you know what I mean? It's you request a payout in a few minutes, they approve your payout, and then obviously the money's out of your account, and then the money is transferred into your bank account too. So that's good. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah. I am. Did any of you guys have trouble getting to Tiger's Discord? Hold on, I'll share the Discord link now again. The link kept changing. I don't know why. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Discord link I'm sharing right now, guys. If you guys want to hop in. We got Tokyo in about 3 minutes, guys. We got Tokyo in about 3 minutes. Okay. We got Tokyo in about 3 minutes. And all right. Now we are getting a pullback here, guys. I mean, this almost kind of feels like we are starting to look a little more bearish again. Oh my god, this market is just so wild. Let's take a look and see if we got anything that's popping up on our Discord, by the way, as well. Money's important at the end of the day. Just milk it and close it. Oh. And by the way, guys, yeah, you're right. Monica says if you're trading, if you're trading gold, just make sure you're on the right contract, right? It's got to be J6. I'm trying to figure this out. Where, like, what's the trend right now? And this is on a larger time frame. I'm on a 30-minute chart now, and we are trying to get above this. This is gonna be a key level right here, right? 26,028. I think this could be a little bit of a bounce, right? A little bit of a bounce. We may try to get a bounce back into this level, back into the 20. Well, let's say 26,020 area, right? This could be an area where I think this market trying to get back into. Is that what it is here? And this is on a larger time frame, by the way, guys. I mean, and let's do a little bit of a Fibonacci as well. I want to kind of gauge, do a little bit of a drawing here, Fibonacci. So if you just take a look at this Fibonacci as well, right? We are getting a rejection here, and this is on a longer time frame, by the way. We're getting a rejection there. Oh, yeah, man, I still think we pushed to the upside though. I still kind of like it to the upside, so I'm gonna try to long here, guys. And I'm gonna try to long on the pullbacks, and I'm gonna try to, or I guess 1 second, I'm on a wrong account. All right. I still like it to the upside. I mean, overall, we have not really broken the structure until we actually break it underneath the 930. I still like it to the upside. So I will try to add to my long position, try to stick to the game plan, and try to ride along here and see what happens, guys. I may be wrong, but I'm willing to kind of hold on to this trade until we get it down to, I would say, 910. Right, 910. Okay. Yeah, 910. My heart stopped there, and so I'm gonna be looking to see if we get a bounce and push higher. Tokyo's already open, but honestly, Tokyo has not done really anything at this point, so not a surprise. See, I'm gonna be in this trade here. If you get a dump pitch, then well, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade, of course. But until we dump, I will try to stick to the game plan. Yeah, I'm okay until 910, and then I'm gonna be looking for 26,200 area. Do you not see a head and shoulders zoom out on your line? Hold on. This is on a 30 minutes chart, okay? This is on a 30 minutes chart, so I don't see head and shoulders right here. I don't see head and shoulders. I mean, I'm kind of thinking maybe you're talking about this here, maybe. Is this what you're kind of talking about? Like that? This doesn't look like a head and shoulders to me. Yeah, it doesn't look like a head and shoulders to me, to be honest. We have a little bit of a brick wall that we have to get past this, right? I think we are constantly getting rejection of this one here, right? And this is the big one. And I want to draw a fat red line there. This is the one, right? So I think this is where we are constantly getting rejection up from. So I'm going to zoom in now. This area, we are constantly getting rejection. This is on 30 minutes chart, and look, we got so many wicks here. right at this level, right? So many wicks. So many wicks. Look at all these wicks here we're getting right now. So I do kind of expect to see a little bit of volatility. We are getting rejection, constant rejection of this level here, but I think we try to pierce through this, and then we keep going higher, right? And this is what maybe this market's trying to do right now. And we really held nicely. We had a big fat squeeze back higher from this, right? And then we just kept pushing. We held this, we held this, we held this as well. So until we break this, I would say 900 area, until we break that level, I think I'm kind of leaning more to the upside here, into the Asia, into Shanghai. We'll see. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, then we got to get a rejection of this 900 area, and then maybe try to push this, roll it down, right? But we got to break this area, which I don't know if it's possible. I mean, it certainly may well do it, but I mean, I don't know. What do you guys see? And that's what I see right now. Oh, nice. The real DC trader. Yeah, the grace of God. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely, man. Great to hear you did really well today. Very amazed. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, there we go. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm on a little bit of a slumpy mode, if you will. Yeah. I'm on a survival mode. If yeah, let me just rephrase that. Trader for the W, what is going on then? Trading bear palm. Christopher, what is going on? Trader X6. Yeah, I'm looking for a little bit of a bounce here, guys. We'll see what happens. Mexico L7, what is going on, man? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Scott Forex, what up, brother? Bib. All right, great to see everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Yeah, I mean, this market could literally, obviously, give us that little bit of a push down. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, but we'll see, guys. I think this market's gonna give me a little bit of fake. So Japanese industrial output month to month is down. So, well, not down. The expectation was minus 0.4, but it's minus 0.1. So it's better than expected forecast. Industrial output for Japan, better. All right, guys, we're getting pretty close here. If you guys want to take a few seconds of your time to support the stream, guys, if you want to smack the like, guys, we really appreciate it, everybody. We're pretty close. I am going to call out the winner now. Well, let's go ahead and do our first giveaway. That's the Funding Futures Network. By the way, Funding Futures Network got two, it's BOGO deal 1+1, and all information on our Discord, by the way. That is what it called again. If you take a look from a PROPFIRM discount, the information is there, right? This is the Apex 90% off right now, right? Apex 90% off. So you're paying $19. And then you also have Funding Futures Network that is right here as well. So buy one, get one free with no activation fee, right? And all the information is there on the PROPFIRM discount tab. So you guys are most welcome to go to that tab and get more details. If you got any questions, obviously you guys can always let me know, and I'll do my level best to respond to your questions. And my Discord link I have already shared. I'll share it again right now. There is my Discord link. And then let's just go back to the trading and see where we at. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a what is this now? So we are getting a little bit of a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna hold on to this trade until we actually pull back into 900. Okay, so I've obviously got a hard stop there, Hold on 1 second, guys. Am at the right spot there? Maybe I'm kind of... Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, 910. I'm gonna have a hard stop there. Yeah, I'm having a rough slump, if you will, but it's okay. I mean, it's just part of trading. You know what I mean? It's part of trading, and we just gotta find a way to, you know, get stronger, right? And that's what I'm trying my level best to do. I'm trying every time every time I get beat up, I'm trying to stand up, get stronger, right, and forget about the past and just kind of move on. So right now I'm not thinking about all the bad stuff that occurred in the month of January. I'm just thinking about what am I going to do for the month of February? What am I trying to do for March? What are the game plan? What are my plans to get much bigger payouts, right? And that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. And how much am I going to be spending, you know, and whatnot. A lot of these, right? So it's like we're treating this like a business, you know what I mean? So it will be a big fat mistake to just keep thinking about all of you losing trades. That would be a big fat mistake. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, of course, I mean, I make a lot of mistakes, guys. I mean, it's not... Yeah, I make a lot of mistakes. I tilt too. Yeah, absolutely, I tilt. Yeah, I tilt a lot. In January I tilted a lot more than the, what do you call this, the regular months. I mean, I think it's probably because of silver. I don't know, man. I mean, I kind of feel like I found a new enemy. I don't know if you guys remember, if you guys were with me throughout this entire journey. Last year I kept talking about how I'm not going to be trading gold. And now we come to this year, I'm like, I'm trading silver instead of trading gold. And, you know, getting into a lot more trouble with trading silver, right? I mean, I think, you know, with NQ, I'm pretty good. You know, with NQ, you know, I make mistakes. I get into a lot of losing trades, but I mean, it's manageable. You know what I mean? It's manageable, and it's good. But when you trade silver, you get into a little bit of a disruption, and then you get into a little bit of a, you know, mental, I don't know. You get into a little trouble when you're trading silver, put it that way. So I'm trying to refrain myself from trading silver, to be honest. We'll see how that kind of goes. I'm trying my level best. We'll see. But it almost kind of feels like another battle now, because you guys know, you know, I kind of battled trying my level best to not trade gold last year, but this year it kind of feels like we found a new enemy. That's silver, and maybe it's got to be something else later on. I don't know. Once I kind of fix this problem, maybe it's got to be copper. I don't know. You know what I mean? Every day we have new problems. Oh, this trading journey never ends, unfortunately. Oh man, look at this wick, guys. I mean, we are getting a little pullback here down. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, I've got my orders placed in, my limit orders. So like I said again, I will exit this trade. Oh man, it's... Yeah, it looks like we are constantly pulling back here. 941, let's just take a look at... yeah, again, we are getting that rejection there. And this is on a 30 minutes chart too. We'll see, guys. I mean, we really have to hold this 940 area now. If we can't hold this 940, then I think we are having a little trouble. Probably end up getting into a little trouble, that is. 44 Punisher in the house. I'm okay where we at. You know, I'm okay where we at, guys. Oh, by the way, let's go ahead and do our first giveaway, everybody. Let's try to have some fun. All right, let's go ahead and do our first giveaway. Oh, I'm gonna have to have my own name too. I want my own ticket too. All right, everybody. Yeah, looks fragile. NQ. We really have to get a bounce. Okay, fellow traders, I'm gonna call the winner. I'm gonna close the entries obviously now. Oh yeah, I'm definitely very grateful that I was able to request a payout with Lucid. I don't know if you guys remember, I almost got into big fat trouble with that account. Oh, the silver is a killer, guys, man. Silver is I really want to avoid trading silver going forward, to be honest. I just kind of feel like I'm gonna get into a lot more trouble. And this is just the first month, guys. We're only in January. We still have 11 more months to go. Do I really want to trade silver for another 11 months? I'm going to try my level best to try to refrain and try to move away from that and just stick to NQ, you know what I mean? Just stick to NQ. All right, guys, I'm going to call them in. I'm going to close the entries here, guys. All right, fellow traders, let's go ahead and do this. I hope you all had a great day and hope all of you are having a great afternoon as well. And of course, thank you guys for being here as well. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, we got pretty, yeah, I mean, that's good. We are pulling back on NQ right now. All right, fellow traders, good luck, everybody. This is our first giveaway. I think we have a chance with another one. We'll find out, guys. John Newton, no, I have not shown my trading setup on stream, not yet. Not yet. Do I plan to? Yes, at some point, yeah. All right, guys, good luck. Let's go. CMA G Trades. CMA G Trades. You gotta let me know you are here. I'm gonna start the clock here. 1 minute. 1 minute. CMA G Trades. Please let me know you are here, please. Please don't go away. All right, 1 minute. The time is ticking as we speak. The time is ticking, guys. I think we've got 20, little less than 30 seconds And Mr. Simei G Trades is not here at the moment. 20 more seconds to go. Let's find out. We may we may have to redraw. 13 seconds to go. Yeah, oh, this is getting very exciting. Holy mochaccino. You smell a reroll, Dustin Laurie. And by the way, guys, by the way, if you are a member of on YouTube, don't forget, like I said again, I've got some big stuff coming up that I plan to do for all the members who are over 2 months of being a member, right? So anybody over 2 months member on YouTube, I'm gonna do obviously more giveaways for you guys as well. So FYI, did not forget about that. And 1 minute is gone, guys. We're gonna have to find a new winner now. We gotta find a home for this bad boy. I'm gonna resume the entries. I think there are some who have not entered. So I'm gonna give you 20 seconds to enter again. I've opened the entries. Okay, and as we speak, the market is getting a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna give you guys 20 seconds to add your numbers, your names, and that's it. We'll close it again. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna close the entries, guys. All right, there we go. Close the entries. I'm gonna pick the winner now. All right, I'm gonna. Oh man, this market's pulling back, guys, as we speak. Oh, my hard stop here. Where do you go? Right here. Yeah. I've got a hard stop here. I mean, let's see. Now it's gonna be very important we try to hold this bad boy right here. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm just kind of waiting for a little bounce in this market, guys. Just 1 second. I'll have a hard stop here, right at the initial low here, guys. I mean, anything beyond that, I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, right there, guys. I'm gonna get stopped out. If we end up getting a pullback here, I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm not willing to. Yeah, I'll exit this trade right at the 925. All right, guys, I got stopped out there. Wow, man, look at this market. We're just literally moving about 80 points up and down pretty quickly here. Anyways, guys. Yeah, no, I'm trying to stay away from silver, to be honest. So what is going on right now, man? There's so much of news coming out. It's pretty wild. Yeah, we just broke underneath it, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna pick the winner. Good luck. A Volatile Viper. Volatile Viper, are you here? Seven War Man. Hey, bro, man. Thanks for being a member. Thank you for your support, bro. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So much love. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Volatile Viper 8. Let me know if you're here. I'm gonna give you 1 minute now. I completely forgot about that now. 1 minute. Let me know if you're here. Pretty wild price action, guys. I mean, let's take a look at the gold. Gold is creeping up here. Gold is pushing higher, guys. Oh, Viper, the Volatile Viper is here, guys. The first winner of our giveaway is here, everybody. And there you go. Okay, we're gonna do another giveaway here, guys. That's going to be Apex account giveaway here. Apex account giveaway, everybody. And Apex right now running 90% off, right? Just keep that in mind. Like I said again, on our Discord, you see our what is that again? The PROPFIRM discount. We've got Apex 90% off, and that's 19 point something, a little less than $20 for Apex accounts right now. That's the biggest offer of the year in my opinion. So there you go, information all there on the PROPFIRM discount. And that's a $75 for an activation fee as well for accounts below 100,000 FYI. And yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and do our second giveaway, everybody. And congrats Volatile Viper for being a winner. And I'm gonna open up new entry here for Apex account giveaway, guys. Go ahead and type in !Tiger. And thank you guys once again for being here. Let's try to have some fun. We are, wow, man, look at this. I know. I'm gonna try to long here again. I'm gonna try to put a very tight stop on this, see what happens. It's a constant lower high, man. I'm just gonna exit this 1 second, guys. Let me just try to reload again. All right, put a really tight stop on this. Let's try to see if we can actually go long again. But this, if you break here underneath this, I think it's, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna try to keep longing on this trade. I'm just gonna have to exit my trade and just kind of take a little step back, I guess. If this end up not being able to hold, and that is, wow, man, we went all the way into 26,020. And we got a big fat rejection into 900. That's like that's 100 points pullback here. 100 points pullback. We opened at 994, and it's moving like 100 points up and down pretty quickly here. So are we in Globex Asia? It doesn't seem that way. Yeah, are we gonna go lower? Yeah, we could. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. Yeah, I'm trying to micro scalp here. You know, I'm exiting my trades. Yeah, I lost $100 in the previous one. $100. I may be losing a little more here if I get stopped out. I got a really tight stop on this. I'm just trying to test the water right here and see if you get a little bounce. Looks weak, man. Looks weak, right? Looks weak. I exited that trade, but looks weak now. That was a big fat rejection off that 26,020 area. Damn. All right, guys, we got Apex account here, and I'm gonna close the entrance pretty soon. Go look at the 1 hour trend. I've got here 30 minutes. I mean, 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame. It's pretty much the same thing in my opinion. So we got looks like we're breaking here, right? Yeah, it's hard to say. We're kind of like in that no man's land now. It's gonna be hard to long and hard to short, to be honest, at this level here. I don't know if you guys noticed the same. Kid poker, it all goes down. Yeah, it's tough to trade this price action at the moment. Yeah, it's hard. It's anybody's guess where it's gonna go. I think we are in for some real big problem. I think not now. I think the time is ticking. Definitely, in my opinion. Maybe I don't know how it's gonna be, but I don't know. So far, it's not looking that great in my opinion, man. There's so many things that I kind of feel like it's broken, and that it's pretty wild. I mean, all-time high on the SPY just a couple days ago, and the market's moving wild, right? I mean, there's just too many things going on, you know. I mean, the market moving 150 points up and down, up and down. You know, the kind of a drawdown that we have in this market, obviously on a PROPFIRM, and maybe it's a good thing for the PROPFIRMs, I guess, right? Because we lose more accounts, I guess. I don't know, but I mean, when you have the market move like 200 points, like pretty quickly, like look, I mean, today alone Globex Asia moved 100 points up and down. This is 100 points. We opened Globex at 994, right? And we hit at the bottom here the low at 906. Sorry, not even 906, guys. 884. That's over 100 points. But keep in mind, we opened 994 and we had a dump 80 points, pump 80 points, dump 80 points, and pump 120 points, and another dump 100 points. Guys, I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up and downs. Just Globex Asia alone. When did we start the market today? Let's take a look. We started here. This is where it actually started open. This is the open, guys. Here. This is our open here. This is our open, guys. Right? This is our open, Globex. And this is all we had. This, man, it's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's good. I was just trading the eval accounts, but it's pretty wild. Now we are right in the middle. Of course, now we gotta bounce off that 908. Tough times. Yeah, tough times, yeah. Now we're getting a bounce, guys. I think this is gonna try to trick a lot of... Oh my goodness, man. Oh! Oh! Oh, I ended up in profits. Holy, man. Got a little lucky there, man. I had 5 contracts. I exited right at the perfect time, man. I'm getting a little lucky here. Exiting my trades at a perfect time. Wow, man. Look at this, guys. Guys, man, this price action is pretty wild. Be careful, guys, if you're trading this. But I got in profits. I got a little lucky. Yeah, I mean, crazy day, man. Crazy day in the morning, crazy day in the afternoon. Oh my god, my brain needs some break. I don't know, man. I think it's a tariff. I think it's tariff, guys. And we just keep getting news coming out right now. Do we have anything else? Oh, another news about government shutdown as well. Government shutdown, working with Congress, announcing Federal Reserve Chair. Trump is going to do the pick. And Trump is not pulling immigration agents away from Minnesota, not at all. So that's bad for the news. I mean, for the market. So there's a lot of news, man. There's a lot of news, and on top of that, we got tariff about Cuba. There's tariff about Korea. Oh man, there's just too many, guys. Just too many. It's hard to digest all that news that we are getting. With all that news, guys, a lot of fundamental story on top of the technicals, right? So we gotta have to think about the technicals, and on top of that, we gotta also think about the fundamentals, because the news is kind of driving the market right now, right? So it's tough, man. Yeah, it's tough, guys. It's not easy. Trade with caution and be safe, guys. It's yeah, man, people are gonna lose accounts. Maybe it's, I'd like to just say that maybe I envy traders not trading. You know what I mean? If you don't trade, I don't think you lose anything. But I think if you trade, I think a lot of traders are gonna get in trouble. I think that's how difficult this market is at the moment, you know? Very unfortunate. It's tough market, yeah. We had a 50 points move in about a minute, a little less than that. So do we get a little bit? Let's take a look at the gold, guys. I completely forgot about the gold. I wouldn't be surprised if gold rips again today, or we dump. We could dump, but I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce in the gold. And that's crazy though. We keep getting those spikes and can't hold gains. You have a good point. You know, we have a good point, but we also, on the other way around, we keep getting pullback, but the pullbacks are being bought at the same time as well. You see that bounce that we got there? I think the more we kind of try to tap the high, I think we try to break out, right? And try to take us up back into, I think this market wants to get to 250 area, in my opinion. Right, we had a pretty good earnings from Apple, right? So you guys keep that in mind. Apple had a pretty strong earnings, and they had a pretty strong guidance too. So the expectation is that but the thing is, I mean, wow, man, the high of the Apple was in December 2nd at 286. That was the high on the Apple, right? So we're at 259 after hour. That's literally about 20 points, $20 from the high. Tesla down about 3% today. Microsoft we had a big Microsoft pulled back 9%, guys, today. 9%. Microsoft pulled back 9% today, almost 10%. The Meta got a bounce 10%, so it's kind of a wash, if you will. So the Meta bounced 10%, the Microsoft down 10%, so it's kind of a wash. What a strong bounce on the Meta, man! What a strong bounce in the Meta, incredible. So the Bitcoin pulling back into 84. You know, I mean, Bitcoin, I'm still looking for this area, and we've been talking about this area for the longest time now. So even though this market was getting a bounce, the Bitcoin obviously kept pulling back. So I'd like to see a Bitcoin pull back. I mean, now it's setting up for a bearish move here down, right? I think the setup is there. We'll see. Yeah, we got a rejection of that trend line. And now we are pulling back. We're at 84. I'd like to see a Bitcoin kind of give us a pullback into the 74, into the 60s. That would be really nice if we do that. And yeah, I mean, everything else, the mega cap, bit of a mixed bag. The SPY, we closed at 694 as well. So, all right, so let's go back to our trading. 10% is not a pullback, it's a disaster mokarok pulverizer. What is up, Lucky Mon? Black Mamba Trader, what up? John Newton, are you a big crypto holder? I'm not at all. But I'm trying to build a portfolio for my crypto. But I'm gonna be like, it's not going to be like Bitcoins specifically. It's going to be, you know, like the ETFs, and that's what it's going to be for me. Or crypto-related stocks and ETFs. That's what it's going to be. Like one of the stocks that I'm kind of looking at is a Rocket Lab. I don't know if you guys heard of Rocket Lab, so I'm looking at that. But we're not getting any kind of a pullback on the Rocket Lab, so yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be looking for like $50 in the Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, yeah, corporation. It's right now sitting at 85. Just a month ago, it was sitting at $40. And I completely forgot to hop onto that train to the upside. I'll try my level best to get in this time around if I get a chance. I'm really kind of waiting, guys. I'm really waiting, you know, with the hawk eye, right? I'm like, I've got my cash on the sideline. Really kind of waiting for the right moment to get in. So we'll see, guys. I mean, we got it's only the start. It's January now, right? So maybe we get some correction maybe in the month of March or April. We'll see. But when you start to get that correction, I'm gonna really start to load in pretty aggressively this time around. Yeah, I don't want to get missed this time. Last year I got missed, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I got missed. right, so let's see, guys. We are at 926 here. We're sitting at 926 right now. 926. Every pullback was always getting bought. I wonder what it's going to be this time around. So right now, so far, guys, 920. We are getting a little rejection there. This maybe like we've got to hold this 906. If we can't hold this 906, I think we I think we may end up getting a pullback here into the low, the session low 884. If that breaks, I think this could go all the way back down. How deep of a pullback are we gonna get? We could get ourselves pulled back all the way down into the 800 area, and 800 area would be another 100 points down. So this could be, yeah, this could be another couple 100 points pullback if we can't hold these levels, right? It's gotta be pretty significant. So. All right, guys. By the way, we got our Apex account giveaway, right? I am going to close the entries now. And if you are new here, guys, do not forget to smash the like if you guys want to support the stream. Everybody, thank you so much to all of you for being here, of course, every day with us. And by the way, I will be live tomorrow morning too, in the morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. I may be live a little bit early. It really depends. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, and also on top of that, it's the last trading day of the month, right? So let's try to stay strong, show discipline, and just make sure we don't really have any sort of a big damage. Tomorrow's the last day, so really the last thing you want to do is kind of lose a whole bunch of accounts, right? So me too, I'll try my level best. Absolutely. StockTiger will try my level best. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to take a look at the payout tab. Just want to kind of make sure that all right, this market's kind of chopping here. Let's take a look at the gold here for a moment. The gold pulling back as well. And I'm just about to close the entries, by the way, guys. Apex account giveaway. Do not forget, Apex 90% off. Right now, $19 to load in an eval with Apex. And let's take a look at the main chat. Let's take a look at the payout tab, guys. I just want to kind of see how everybody else is doing. This is mine. This is $2,000 on the flex account that I got the payout with, $2,000. That's me. And then we got wow, we got from somebody. I can't read that. I don't know what that means. Arigato gozaimasu. Is that what it is? The name. Anyways, $900 from Tradify. Nice, good stuff, man. Great job, arigato. We got Annabelle. Holy man, look at that, guys. $2,000 across so many accounts. I don't even know how you do that, but anyways, guys, awesome job, awesome job. Annabella, man, killing with Apex funded account. We got Kui and taking $10,000 from E8. Holy mochaccino. $10,000 from E8, guys. And that's Dude 45, $460 on the Take Profit Trader account. Incredible. Good stuff. Dude 45, congrats, man. You've been killing with Take Profit Trader accounts. Oh, Scalpster getting denied from Apex. You'll get it, bro. Just make sure you stay consistent. Do not get too upset. Just keep trading for another few days, and you get to much bigger payout after that. Let's take a look at the P&L tab here for a moment, guys. We got Harambe copy trading across 5 accounts, 1256, day 4, getting pretty close to payout again. JG, wow, look at this JG, take profit trader, lots of profits, good stuff, man, really nice trades. Harambe again, $3,700 in the P&L. That's a lot of great trades. Profit factor pass and evaluation, Nas, man, that feels great, right? It feels great. We got profit factor, another one here as well. What was that again? Oh yeah, lost an account, profit factor. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. All right, good stuff, guys, good stuff. You guys are killing. All right, so I'm gonna close the entries now pretty soon. Please take a few seconds to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our Apex account giveaway. Remember, Apex 90% off right now. It's the biggest and the largest offer. All right, so the market, I think, is now finally getting some footing here, guys. I mean, we are stabilizing after a big boost that we got, of course, due to news about the tariff and, of course, everything else. But wow, what a volatile Globex, man. What a volatile Globex. Yeah, I got a little lucky. I was with 20 micro contracts on that big pump to the upside, and I exited my trade after realizing that I'm with the wrong contract size. So that's good. All right, so the market not really doing anything at the moment. We are getting a little pullback here on the GC, which is the gold. A little pullback here. The NQ trying to get a little bounce. Why you're not receiving the ticket? What do you mean you're not receiving the ticket, bro? Because you gotta type in exclamation tiger. Everybody else is getting. If you're not getting, then there's that there's some problem. Not with the stream, but maybe it's you. All right, at least the market's now finally coming back to earth, which is great. Kind of wonky. It's not moving at all. $9.33. Whoa. Come on, market, move. I'm ready now. StockTiger is ready to trade. Let's go. Let's try to move this market. Oh man, gold is trying to get a bounce. The gold. All right, one contract, guys, one micro contracts. I'm long, and gotta be looking for a target back into 60, 54.60. Let's try to target that, maybe a little bit more. 3 contracts. Yeah, I'll have a tight stop on this. 36. Let me just try to take my first take profit here. Alright guys, I took one off the table, moving my stop to 39. And let's see. TPs at 53 and 60 area. I've got my stop at 39. Go back to the MNQ. MNQ trying to get a little bounce, but it's a weak bounce though. So kind of expect to see maybe a flush down if we can't hold this. We're really struggling to kind of hold this area, by the way. Kind of feels weak. So we'll see how this thing plays, but not having too much conviction on this NQ, I'll be honest. All right, guys. Should I flatten this at the break even? Hold on one second. Let me try to move my stop. Okay. I moved my stop to 33. Well. Yeah, let me just flatten that trade. I flattened that trade gold, guys. It's just not. I mean, if we are just going to chop here in this range, I might as well just exit my trade and kind of walk away. There's really nothing there at the moment in the gold, to be honest. So. Oh, that's a little bounce. Nice little pop here, guys, on the NQ. Let's I hope this is not a fake. Ooh, this market trying to fake StockTiger, guys, man. I'm not happy. Yes, I will be live tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to trust this NQ here today, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed something. All right, fellow traders, are you guys ready for another round of a giveaway here, Apex? Any account size that's eval. I'm just about to close the entries here, guys, while we kind of wait for the NQ to do its thing. Very dangerous for the United Kingdom to get into business in China. More dangerous for Canada to get into business in... All right, guys, we are yeah, we got a little fat rejection there. It's just not looking that great, guys. I just almost kind of feels like, you know, we get let's try to play. I'm gonna try to play this, guys, see what happens. Have a stop and look for that pullback here down, guys. So let me just go try to be a little more aggressive on this. Risking about $350. It almost kind of feels like, you know, we may try to pop here. We may try to pop here, and then maybe that quickly fades and bring us back down. You know what I mean? Something like this. Right? That's what I'm going to be kind of looking for. So we'll see. That's when I'm going to try to play this. All right, guys. Are you guys ready now? Apex giveaway. Just about to start, by the way. By the way. All right, I'm short on NQ. I'm short on NQ, guys. We'll see. Oh shit, we already pulled back here, guys. I'm gonna get rid of this limit orders. Now I'll place my stop at the break even. It kind of makes sense, you know what I mean? Just kind of try to reduce my risk here. Yeah, we are getting a dumpster. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, I could... Oh man, what's going on here, guys? I can't move this. There we go. All right. Finally, you're up. You're back up again. Wow. Let's see if we get a little pull more pull back here. Maybe it's possible. Or do we get a bounce? Let's try to take one. Oh, no. I already have one there. All right, guys, I'm down to 4 now. Yeah, I've got my stop period 920. We'll see. Or maybe I should just move my stop to... Well, I'll just have my stop at break even, guys. I mean, really. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have it like if we truly believe that we are gonna get further a continuation of a pullback here, then I mean I wouldn't mind just leaving my stop at the break even and look for a target back into the 880 area, and that would be my initial target. And we'll see if we get a nice little follow through, an extended move here to the downside. We could do that. It's kind of creating that lower high, and we're constantly getting rejection of the high. Somebody mentioned about that, constantly getting rejection of the high. So with no volume too. Watch the 900 bounce. 900 area, yeah, the 900 would be a very important area too. Yes, I see that. We'll see. We could get a bounce like this, right? For all you know, this could be a pretty quick bounce. Oh my god, I can't believe we actually get. What an incredible move in this market, guys. Globex Asia presenting with a huge, massive boost. Incredible. I can't believe that, guys. And that's why I'm gonna have to have a hard stop. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a hard stop every time I'm trading this today because I don't want to get caught and then StockTiger holding a bag. It's not gonna be fun, and that bag's gonna be pretty heavy too. All right, guys, you all ready? I'm just about to hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna have to now. Yeah, no, I'm not married to long, and I'm not married to short. You know, the sentiment change, like the sentiment kept changing pretty quickly here in this market, right? So sometimes, you know, sometimes I don't like to be biased, right? I just trade the price action, and if the price action tells me to be long, I'm long. But sometimes, of course, I'm wrong too, right? And that's what. And that's what's been happening. This, honestly, I don't know. I mean, it's like a, honestly, from a bigger, larger time frame, this is still in a chop zone, right? We're still in a chop zone, even though it's like, you know, 80 to 100 points. I kind of feel like this could be in a little bit of a chop zone. So, but I think we do try to retest the low here, guys. The session low was at 880, 884. So let's try to see if we can actually get a pullback all the way down into that. I've got a hard stop here at the break even, so I've already taken some profits off the table. So we'll see if you get a bounce and stop me out. I will be this will be a break even trade. Oh yeah. Oh, Chris EW. Yeah, I see. Microsoft, yeah. Microsoft down 10%. Okay, so let's say if we try to hold or we break it down. I'm short a portion of my contracts. I was with how many contracts? I can't remember. Maybe I was with 8 contracts. Only down to 4 now. So all right, so we are trying to get a bounce. Quite honestly, I still feel, man, if we hold this, it almost kind of feels like a bottoming process to me. right? And the bottoming process, one I was kind of looking for was this. Bottoming process would be something like this, right? So, right, something like that, right? I was kind of looking for something like this. So if you get a pullback here, tap it, bounce, tap, right? Get a little bit of a deeper pullback and try to get a bounce, tap, and then we try to reverse back higher, right? Into, I don't know, rest of the day or something like that. So I thought this could be a little bit of a bottoming process here kind of playing out. But of course, we got to hold these levels. We'll see, guys. I mean, it's anything is possible, but again, first thing first, 900 area, that's like a brick wall. We got to crack underneath that to have that little bit of an extended move to the downside, right? 900 area, this would be somewhere here in this range. And if that doesn't hold, then I think we could see this thing pull back all the way back into the 950s, sorry, 850s. That would be another 50 points from the 900. So far we're kind of holding. So I may get stopped out right here, which is fine. That was part of the plan. Yeah, we're getting a lot of tariff news. Trump, I don't know if he's threatening, but he's definitely talking about England. He's definitely talking about EU. He's talking about Canada. He's also talking about Korea too. So yeah, and Cuba as well. So we got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff to digest into tomorrow morning, guys. It's not just the earnings. But the bigger problem right now is that every time we have this news, the market tanks. But then it tanks and gets a bounce, you know what I mean? That's really hard. If we truly believe that it's gonna be the lower high, understandable. But I mean, if every pullback gets bought and every bounce get pulled back, and that's like 300-400 points, it's hard to trade. It's just so messed up, you know what I mean? That's, oh my mochaccino, gold, mochaccino. All right, guys. Let's just get out of this trade. Well, maybe. I'm gonna be looking for that pullback continuation here, gut. But what is going on with the gold, guys? Yeah, man, gold is bleeding, but who knows? The gold may be bought. You know what I mean? Like, it's pretty wild times we're living, guys. I mean, it's no. Should we try to short gold? That would be risky to try to short gold. I mean, do we expect to see this in gold? It's I don't know. Anybody trading gold? New Fed chair tomorrow. Honestly, the new chair Fed tomorrow. It's good news for the market, I think, because I think he's gonna be very dovish, right? He's gonna do what DT wants him to do. I think that's what it is, right? You've been scalping these drops in gold. Oh, nice, man. Dustin Lorry, man. You could have definitely banked a lot of profits on that bad boy. Yeah, man. I did not see that thing move. We are, oh man, we are pulling back here, guys. I'm gonna take profit off the table. I'm gonna take one more off. I'm down to 2 now. I may try to close this trade here, right now. I'm in profit, so we'll close it. It almost kind of feels like we are gonna tank all the way back down, to be honest. We'll just kind of walk away here, get rid of that. And the gold is tanking. Holy mochaccino, man. This is gonna be a big level. This is a previous day close here, 35. Sorry, 535, that is. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop here. Hard stop, risking about $200, guys. Let's see if we get a little flush down. Holy mochino! Funded account, Apex funded account, guys. I'm in green now. Let's see if we can actually get a little nice flush down. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out, please. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna let me just try to give myself a little bit more room, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna risk about 150 bucks. I think I'm in a really good spot. Like my stop there is pretty good. I like that stop. I'm giving myself a lot of room now. So let's see, guys. If we get a pull back into the 53.10, guys, I'm gonna trail my stop. We'll see, guys. Let's see if we get a little flush down. I would like to see this thing get back into 10. One contract, guys. One contract. Let's see. Yeah, what a wild moves that we are getting, guys. And we are getting a lot of wild moves today. What the heck is going on, man? Is this Globex ASIA or are we trading something else? Buy long here. Uh-oh. Guys, I'm still looking for the 22 area to be my final take profit target. Or am I gonna get stopped out right here, guys? Maybe I should be happy with $100 profit on this. Should I exit my trade? All right, guys, I'll move my stop to break even, guys. Let's see. If I get stopped out, it'll be pretty much, it's just the house money, right? So house money at this point. Oh, well, I got stopped out right there. Man, that was that would have been a pretty juicy trade. All right, I entered short again. I'm only risking $100 on this, right? With one GC contract, one micro GC. I want to see if we can actually get a rejection of this level and give us that follow through extended move to the downside. And this is going to be my last trade of the day, by the way. This is a lot of fun, guys. A lot of exciting moves that we are getting here today. But one thing that I like about what I did today is that I kind of feel like I'm managing my risk pretty nicely. I've got a hard stop here across the board, and I know exactly how much I'm willing to risk, so that's good. At least today. You've learned to close on those high volatilities, Sacred. Good job, man. Good job, brother. Good job. And everybody else, man. If you guys are trading tomorrow morning, good luck, guys. Just remember that tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, and plus the last trading day of the month as well. So we want no damage. Let's try to see if we can actually close strong here tomorrow, guys. And I hope all of you have a great day tomorrow. Yeah, we will do giveaway right now. Once I get out of my trade, maybe able to do it if I get stopped out right here. I'm only one micro GC, so I'm looking for that little rejection off that level. If we do, then I think we get a nice little follow through extended move here to the downside, right? I kind of like that idea better. I'm gonna move my stop to break even, guys, here. And I'm gonna be adding one more, and my hard stop here still 65. I added one more. I've got two contracts now. I added one more, and I've got to stop at the initial high at 65, and I'm gonna be looking for that my first take profit, if it pulls back here down, would be right in the 43. Let's see what comes first, guys. I may get stopped out on this. Yeah, if I get stopped out, I'm down about 150. So the risk reward is pretty good. If you get a bounce, that's fine. Am I gonna get stopped out? I'm gonna get stopped out on this bad boy right here. Let me just move it a little bit. Yep, I got stopped out there. It's moving higher. Yeah, that was a really tight stop there. I like that. But are we gonna move higher now? Yeah, I'm not trading Tradovates. I don't know, but if it's glitchy, I think you better stop trading that glitchy platform for now today. Man, I still like this to the downside though, but I don't want to miss this. Bounced off that, yeah. Dustin Laurie, man, he bounced off that level, damn it. Which is fine. Which is fine by me. Man, I don't think I can trade this gold at this level now. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day. Let's go ahead and do our giveaway. And by the way, if you're new here, please take a few seconds of your time to smash the like, everybody. Really appreciate it, guys. It truly means the world. Definitely gives me that little bit of a motivation. Thank you, everybody. And we are now about to close the entries, and so we can go ahead and do our second giveaway here tonight. And are we gonna get a bounce of the gold? Are we? Or are we gonna get a rejection there? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna close the entries. Everybody, good luck, guys. Gonna refresh. Now let's go. And thank you guys, everybody, for being here. I'm gonna pick the winner. You've got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. All right, thank you. Let's go. Pick the winner, guys. Happy Kids. Oh, this nickname sounds very familiar. Happy Kids. Happy Kids, you got 1 minute. I am so hungry right now. Happy Kids, 1 minute. Oh my god, Happy Kids is here. I don't think you're new. Are you Happy Kids? I think you've been here for a while now with us, right? And I think you've also been you also won a couple giveaways from us as well. Please let me know if you won a couple giveaway in the past. I think so. Really? There we go. Congrats, Happy Kids, man. Congrats, you are the winner here today. You are the champion. Oh, it's been the first time, really? Oh, I see. Okay. All right, fellow traders, we got 2 winners. We called out 2 winners. Congratulations to 2 winners. I'm gonna have to have you DM me later tonight or into tomorrow morning. I will obviously take care of your account, right? So try to find me, DM me, send me a friend request, and I'll go ahead and take care of yours. Everybody. Oh, we got a timer. I gotta stop that bad boy. All right, guys. Everybody else, thank you so much for being here today. It was another yet a great fun night. The market was definitely very volatile. I could not really capitalize on that big moves here, unfortunately, but I did not lose much either. So I'm gonna walk away, be happy, be content, and try to look forward to tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is yet another day, and it's gonna be the last trading day of the month. So let's try to take it a little slow, right? Not get destroyed by the market tomorrow. I think it's gonna be very volatile. I think, man. We got a lot of news coming out, man. Just really be careful, guys. Let's try our level best not to get smoked. But for now, take care, everybody. Thank you guys so much. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. God bless everybody. Thank you for being here again once again. We'll see you guys back tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Until then, everybody, have a great rest of the night. Thank you so much, my fellow traders from around the world. Take care. Bye-bye. Peace.